Here's what I want to do. I want to show you how to save a couple bucks on a brand new Acura RDX because quite frankly, you deserve it. What I want to do for you in this video is break down exactly what a really good deal is on an Acura RDX, whether you're planning on purchasing or leasing one, some average maintenance and repair costs, as well as some average insurance premiums, so that you get the whole picture. You're going to know exactly what this Acura RDX is going to cost you. What is happening, guys? Ari here from Boston Automotive Consulting, and in the description below you're going to find various resources to help you not only land the very best deal on a brand new Acura RDX, but you'll be able to shop around for insurance rates, get your auto credit scores, as well as shop for an auto loan. And if you haven't already, please consider subscribing because this whole channel is going to teach you everything you're going to need to know so that you can negotiate your best possible deal. Now, we've been talking about the Acura RDX for quite some time on this YouTube channel, 3 years roughly. Fantastic automobile. Finally, Acura has been offering some decent incentives, lowered the money factor, just in general has made it a lot easier to get a better deal on an Acura RDX. I'm going to break down exactly what I mean by that. Now, going into inventory a tiny bit, what we're dealing with in the United States at the moment is roughly 2,240 front-wheel drive Acura RDX models and 4,005 all-wheel drive. Of those 4,005 all-wheel drive, trim by trim, what we're seeing is 800 bases, roughly 1,785 technology, 790 A-spec models, 595 advanced models. Since we've got the most as being base and technology package, I'm going to be using one as a technology package for the sake of tonight's negotiation guide. Mine has an MSRP of $44,325. The markup typically is about 5% in an Acura RDX, so basically just taking the MSRP, multiplying it by 0.95 will land you at the dealership's rough invoice cost. Going after invoice on this Acura RDX, which is completely possible. Even in Boston, there's dealerships offering it less than invoice price. Going after invoice will land you at $42,125. Now, Acura from the factory to the dealer is offering $1,000 in a manufacturer to dealer incentive. However, I did want to mention the following rebates as well. So if you're planning on leasing, pay close attention. Now, what we've got is $1,500 for current owners of 2011 or newer Acura models. We've also got a very targeted, very specific Conquest Incentive. So basically, if you're the current owner of, say, a direct competitor such as the Audi Q5, Mercedes GLC, BMW X3, I'll put the description here. You'll also be able to save $1,500. Also, if you're not an owner of a direct competitor, but the brand of the direct competitor, you could also save $1,000. I'm going to be taking this $1,000. I'm also going to be taking the promotional APR at 1.9% for 60 months. Now, just going after invoice, subtracting the 1,000 coming from Acura, subtracting the 1,000 because I have a direct competitor's brand, gets me to a final target selling price after rebates of $40,125, and financing this $40,125 at 1.9% gets me to a payment of $710 a month plus tax. Now, for those of you that are planning on leasing, the lease numbers look a lot better these last few months than they did in the last couple of years. Let me break down exactly what the lease payment is going to check out to be. Now, going after this 5% and subtracting not $1,000 in rebates, but $500. However, I'm still going to be plugging in that $1,000 in Conquest when I get to the calculator. A residual of 59% for 36 months at 10,000 miles a year, and a money factor of 0.00095. Now, plugging this all into the lease calculator and assuming they're giving just your inception fees due at start, so your first payment, acquisition fee, doc fee, registration, all that stuff due at start, roughly about $1,910. We'd be talking about $495 a month That's at 5% off, you guys. Again, that's including sales tax, and believe it or not, dealerships in my local area are offering this for way less than $495. I want to encourage you to use this as just a baseline. Target much better than this. Target it as a zero down at $450. You work your magic. You arrange it however you want to, but make sure that you're not exceeding these terms. Now, as far as some average maintenance and repair costs, you guys, how expensive could an Acura possibly get for maintenance and repairs? We're talking in the United States, roughly an average yearly cost of $495 for maintenance and $280 per year for repairs. Obviously, don't take it to the dealership if you don't have to. Cut down on your maintenance and repair costs by taking it to a local mechanic. These Acuras are not all too difficult to repair. Take your time, find a decent mechanic, get a relationship going, settle down, have some kids. Anyway, as far as some average insurance costs, what we're seeing in the United States at the moment is $1,055 per year in Arizona, $1,450 in California, $1,585 in Florida, $945 Illinois, $1,010 in Massachusetts, $2,210 in Michigan, $1,340 in New York, $730 in North Carolina, $1,210 Pennsylvania, $1,535 Texas, $760 in Virginia. I want to encourage you guys to use the links in the description below when you're shopping around for the very best deal on an Acura RDX. You'll also be able to shop around for insurance rates, get your auto credit scores, as well as shop for an auto loan. And if you found this information useful, please consider subscribing. Thank you so much for watching, guys. We'll see you next time.